Hey there, welcome back. So today we will check the usage of volatile keyword. So let's get started. In here, first of all, we will create a new thread. Let us call in the start method as well. And in between pair of parentheses, we will add in the instance of a runnable interface. And inside this run method, we will do a unique thing. In here, we will make use of a while loop. And this while loop is a infinite while loop. So we will type in true. And inside this while loop, we will add in a sysout statement, and the statement would be like running. Alright, so this is good. Then moving forward, we need to also implement some stopping mechanism, right? So in here we will type in if condition. So this if condition would be based on a variable. Let me add in a variable. This variable would be an public static variable. So let me add in a public static variable. Alright, so this is cool. And oops, we need to also add in the data type, right? So I forgot that. So it would be a int entity, and in here we will type in if flag equal to 0. Then we will continue showing this running statement, right? And there would be an else part. So inside this else, we will simply add in a break statement. Alright, so this is cool. Now friends, the condition says that if the flag equal to 0, then we will continue showing you this running message. But there is no mechanism to set this value of flag other than 0, right? So in order to set this flag variable other than 0, we will be adding a yet another thread. So let us do that. So in here we will type in new thread dot start, and inside pair of parentheses we will type in new runnable. Alright, and inside this run method we will be setting the value of flag a non-zero value. So before setting this as a non-zero value, definitely we will sleep this thread for some time. So it would be like thread dot sleep, and we will pass in, for example, 10,000. So we will wait for 5 seconds, that would be better, before setting the value of flag to 1, right? And we need to enclose this in between try catch block. So we will wait 5 seconds before setting the flag as a non-zero value. And after this thread wakes up, in here we need to type in, for example, name of the class app dot flag equal to 1. Pretty cool stuff, right? So let me execute this program. And we are able to see running simultaneously, and there are like many things going on in the background, which is cool. And after a certain period of time, it simply stopped, right? So in order to understand that whether this second thread is working properly or not, let us also add in a statement. It would be like flag value updated. So let me execute this once again for 5 seconds. All right. So flag value updated. There is a small typo in here. Alright. Now friends, why I am showing you this particular program and why I am trying to rerun this couple of times. Now the reason why I am trying to run this couple of times and I am trying to show you the impact is there could be some scenario when your thread is dependent on a variable. And for optimization purposes, what Java does is many times it can cache these value of the variable. For example, even if using some different thread we are resetting the value of flag, this flag may not read the updated value, and it will keep on reading the old value 0, and the infinite loop will go on and on and on. These kind of scenario could be there. Definitely this is a rare scenario of caching the value, but this could be it. Now friends, volatile keyword is rare in usage, and in fact caching issue is again rare. But when this occurs, people don't have any idea that what exactly is going wrong. So whenever there is thread which are dependent on some variable, it is always good to mark them as volatile. Now what happens when we mark this as volatile? These variable will not be cached by the thread. So we are explicitly marking these variable for no cache. So if it is not cached, then definitely there won't be any issue. Now friends, the usage of volatile keyword is limited to a variable only, so that's one thing. And moreover, I won't be able to show you the exact issue when we skip making use of a volatile keyword, because showing you the caching issue is kind of miss or hit, because it's a rare kind of issue and it occurs sometime. It is not a regular issue, so that's something I won't be able to show you right away. But always remember, whenever a thread is based on a variable, always mark the variable as a volatile variable. So this is it for today's video. Hope you guys understood the point I was trying to make. Thanks for watching.